Hey everybody, welcome to the Campers. This is Nick,
This is David.
and we are hanging out at Natural Falls State Park in West Salem Springs, Oklahoma. And it's Christmas Eve, and we're up late having some wine, and we just kind of wanted to share with you guys like what we're doing, what our little setup is about right now. We got to leave in the morning, so most of our Christmas Eve party lights are down. But so anyways, we're just gonna do just a casual little after hours video.
And
Just
show you guys our trailer.
show you guys our trailer. There's our little Christmas lights and stuff going on. And let's go on inside and we'll kind of show you like how we're kicking it for Christmas Eve. Alright, let's go on inside. This is how we're kicking it this Christmas Eve. David's carrying our new puppy, still yet to be named.
Say hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy. He's a baby.
He's a little baby.
Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Here's our little camper, our little Christmas Eve setup. There's Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Alright. So we got our Christmas tree going on. Our RV Christmas tree. There's Felicia Navidad.
We've been hanging out, drinking wine.
Oh yeah, where's my wine
Watching
at? Where's my wine?
movies.
There's my wine.
Got some candles lit this evening.
Show us around, babe.
Well, these are our little end table trees that we got.
Okay, let's check it out. Dollar Tree. Gotta love Dollar Tree for their little Christmas trees. We got the little Santa Claus-y stuff. What are those called? Cling stickers.
Yeah.
We got Monkey. He's being all comfy. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, Monkey. Our other little Christmas tree here. Alright, babe. Show us our little Christmas tree. What do we got going on our Christmas tree?
Okay, so we got campers, owls, snowmen on sleighs.
For those of you who don't know us personally, we're classic and modern Volkswagen people, so we have to have a Volkswagen bus with a cool little camper. Where's some of our other campers on here, babe?
Most of them are over here on this side.
Let's see, we got that little camper. There's one way down here. Where's it at? There's another little camper. Where's another camper?
We got two right here.
There's a little camper ornament. Oh, Airstream ornament. Oh, another. Where's that? There's another little camper ornament. Where's the other one? Oh, another Volkswagen camper ornament. Alright. What else we have, babe?
We have another camper and another camper by Santa over there.
Oh yeah, this little camper, our like regular campground. Debbie,
The host of our regular campground.
at Lakeshore Recreational Campground in Salina, Oklahoma.
Yeah, she's actually the owner.
Yeah, she's the owner. Debbie's awesome.
Go to Lakeshore.
Yeah, go to Lakeshore. It's in Salina, Oklahoma. On my birthday, Debbie came running out, and she really gave us this little ceramic light up camper. So thoughtful. All right, but what else we got?
We have another camper over here by Santa.
Oh yeah, the cookie jar.
Santa's camping.
Oh, and then Mom gave us Volkswagen Christmas towels. So, this is us, guys.
Glad you guys came out to see us.
I'm behind the scenes, so here's my glass. Cheers to everybody. Clank.
Cheers.
Cheers to the puppy. Happy Christmas Eve or Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas.
Who says Merry Christmas Eve?
Nobody.
Do you say that?
No.
You don't say that?
Yeah.
And I don't
Sometimes.
think we don't have anything else going on. We got the little fireplace in the bedroom.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's how we're kicking it Christmas Eve, guys. We're kicking it RV style?
Uh-huh.
Like we said, Natural Falls State Park in West Salem Springs.
Great place to go if you're in Oklahoma.
Yeah, if you're like Oklahoma, Arkansas area. Okay, here's one thing we forgot to show. We totally found at Walmart these little mini, Christmas Village things that we've got on this little shelf above our fireplace.
Yeah.
Where's the
Very
fireplace?
inexpensive, cute Christmas decorations.
Yeah. Perfect RV size. So, Merry Christmas to everybody.
And a Happy New Year.
And a Happy New Year. We hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas Eve as much as we are.
We've had a really good time out here at Natural Falls State Park.
Great time. We've had, 2 dinner parties?
2 dinner parties.
We've had David's family, my family, our families together. It's just been a really good Christmas.
Definitely a good Christmas.
Probably one of the best Christmases.
Yes, my favorite so far.
Yeah, pretty good. So Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
And we'll see you guys next year.